I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series where I'm sharing with you solutions of questions from international GCSE math papers. This is question number 16 from 2016 June test paper. It is based on probability. In a bag, there is a total of 20 coins. 10 coins of 20 cents, 6 coins of 10 cents, 4 coins are 5 cents. Emma takes at random 2 coins from a bag. Draw a probability tree diagram. B is find probability that Emma takes 2 5-cent coins. C. Find probability that the total value of the 2 coins is 20 cents or less. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. So let's begin with sketching the tree diagram. The 3 conditions are you could get either a 20-cent coin or a 10 or a 5-cent coin in the first row, right? So let's begin with these 3 options shown as here. So let us say the first one here is with 20-cent coin, right? So this is 20 cents. And this one is for 10 cents and then 5 cents. Since there are 10 coins of 20 cents, the probability will be 10 out of 20, right? So this will be 10 out of 20. 6 coins of 10 cents means 6 out of 20. And here we have 4 coins, so it is 4 out of 20. So that is the first row. Now in the second row, we could again get one of the 3, right? So we have 3 possibilities here. So let's do 1, 2, and 3. And here also we have 1, 2, or 3. And here 1, 2, or 3. So let's again take this as 20 cents, this as 10 cents, and then 5 cents. So we have 20 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents. 20 cents, 10 cents, and 5 cents. Now in the first case, we have already drawn a 20-cent coin, so we're left with one less. So we have 9 out of 19, right? So one coin has been drawn, so 9 out of 19. So all these are from 19, right? This will be 6 out of 19 and 4 out of 19. Here we have drawn 10-cent coins, so one number reduced for 10 cents, so this will be 5 over 19. The others, original amount, 10 over 19 and 4 over 19, correct? Here, original amount, 10 over 19 and 6 over 19. We have already taken away one 5-cent coin, so one less will be 3 over 19. Correct? So that is the probability distribution. Perfect. Now, let's answer. So we've done the probability tree. Part B is find the probability that Emma takes 2 5-cent coins. So if she is taking 2 5-cent coins, that means we follow this path, right? 1 5-cent coin and then again the 5-cent coin. So the probability will be 4 out of 20. So in this case, let me write down here 4 out of 20 times 3 out of 19, right? 3 out of 19. So that becomes the answer. So let's multiply and write down. So we get 12 divided by, within brackets, 20 times 19, right? So that gives you 3 over 95. Perfect. So that is the probability of getting both 5-cent coins. Now, C. The probability that the total value of the coins is 20 cents or less. So, since we are drawing 2 coins, this path is out of bound. We will consider these 2 now, right? So, one could be probability that we get 10 cents and 10 cents, that gives us 20 cents. Then the probability that we get 10 and 5, less than 20, or we could get 5 and 10, or we could get 5 and 5, right? So these are all the probabilities possible. Correct? Let me push this a bit here. Let's figure this out. Now, for 10 and 10, so for 10, first 10, it is 6 over 20. times second 10, which is 5 over 19. Now 10 and 5, that means 6 over 20 times 5, 4 over 19. 5 and 10, so 4 over 20 times, then 10 means 6 over 19. Now 5 and 5 means 4 over 20 times 3 over 19, correct? So we have to add all the three, right? So we'll have to sum all them up. So let's add them all. So when you add them all, what do you get? Let's use the calculator, right? So the first case is we have 30 in the numerator divided by, well, what we'll do is we'll just add all the numerators and divide them by 20 times 19. Is that clear? So we'll do 30 plus 24 plus 24 again plus 12, right? So all this we are going to divide by 20 times 19. Does make sense, right? That'll be faster, right? So let's do it. So we have 30 plus 24 plus 24 plus 12. This is the numerator. We'll divide this numerator by, within brackets, 20 times 19. So we get, oh, we didn't divide. Okay, let's do it again. So we have 30 plus 24 plus 24 plus 12. So that is the numerator. We'll divide our answer by, within brackets, 20 times 19. So we get 9 over 38. Okay. So that becomes the answer, 9 over 38. So we get 9 over 38 as the probability for getting 20 or less cents in 2 draws. So I hope that is absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that would be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.